Hello students, in today's session we are going to learn about components of Tally screen. The first step to get started in Tally ERP9 is to create a company. After installation, the application opens to the screen which you are able to view now. So in order to invoke Tally, there are two methods. One method is directly on the desktop icon, Tally icon, you can double click, the window will appear. The other way is by going to all programs, select Tally ERP9, then the window will be opened as you are seeing here. So this is the Tally screen which appears whenever we open Tally. This Tally screen is divided into 6 sections. This Tally screen is divided into 6 sections. The first section is horizontal button bar or top button bar. This is called as horizontal button bar or top button bar. Adjacent to it, it is called as vertical button bar. Vertical button bar. Then beside to it, it is called as main working area. This is the main working area. Please observe the pointer. This is the main working area. Below to that, we are having information panel. This is the information panel. Below to that, it is called as taskbar. This is called as taskbar. Now let us see what are the functionalities of each part of the screen, each component of the screen. The first one, horizontal button bar. Here we are having option to print, email, support, and upload data is available here. This bar also has options to help you to access the help manual, control center, and support center. These are highlighted, these are enabled, whereas the print, export, email, upload, these are disabled. So by using this control center, support center, or help, you can get access to the manual. Then coming to the vertical button bar. This vertical button bar displays the buttons. Here F1 and F1 is underlined with underline, single underline. This is called as Alt F1, F2, Alt F2. So there are different buttons. This button bar differs from screen to screen. Means while operating Tally. Now we are in gateway of Tally, accounts info is highlighted here. So here it is showing as F1, Alt F1, F2, Alt F2 and Alt F3. Once we navigate to the other mode of the screen, then the button bars, vertical button bar will be different. So it differs from screen to screen. F11, F12. Regarding these two, we will be learning in the upcoming videos. Then coming to the main work area. The main work area is again divided into two parts, the left hand side and the right hand side. The left hand side of the main work area provides information on the date and list of companies loaded, and these are displayed here, date and list of companies loaded. Means in this Tally we are having only one company which is created by name Sai, so one company is listed. Further, when you go on practice and when you create more number of companies, all those companies will get listed here. So their current period, current date, and the list of the companies in Tally will be displayed in the left side of the main work area. And coming to the right side, you are able to see gateway of Tally. So we are in gateway of Tally menu. When you navigate to the next menu, then the next menu will be displayed. For example, I am clicking on accounts info. Now we are navigated to accounts info menu. To go back, press escape. Then next, coming to the information panel. The information panel is divided into 5 sections, 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first one, product. First part of the information panel is product. So this displays the Tally logo. Once clicking on the logo, it would be redirecting to the Tally website. Version and updates. The second part of the information panel is version and updates. It displays about the current and latest release and the TDL information. By pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T, it displays the version and updates information. Then the next part is license and services. This gives information about licenses and subscription. This displays information related to the product license such as site ID, account ID, serial number, and so on. If you press this Control plus Alt plus L, this displays license and subscription information as you are able to see on the screen here. And the next part of the information panel is configuration. So this configuration displays the statutory details such as proxy configuration, data configuration. See, by clicking on Control plus Alt plus F, proxy configuration and everything, gateway configuration, ODBC configuration, general configuration, we are able to see here. Then the last part, that is the fifth part in the information panel, is calculator. The calculator is used for making mathematical calculations when we are in voucher mode. By pressing Control plus N, it will activate the calculator panel. Below, as we said, this is the taskbar. The taskbar, again you can see it is divided into two. To the left side, it is the pathway. Now tally, main, gateway of tally, configuration information. See here, configure information. So we are in configure information menu. By pressing escape, observe carefully, by pressing escape, now we have reached to gateway of tally menu. Now observe once again the taskbar. It is showing as tally menu, gateway of tally. So this shows the pathway where we are navigating. And to the right side, it shows the information about the company, and the system date and time will be recorded. So this is the functionality of these components of the screen tally. So total how many components the tally screen is divided into 6. The first component is horizontal button bar, second component is vertical button bar, then main work area divided into 2 parts. Left side, which is listing the date and list of the companies in tally. To the right side, it gives the menu in which we are. Then below that, we are having the information panel, which is divided into 5 parts. They are product, version updates, license and subscriptions, configuration, and calculator. Below that, we are able to see the taskbar, which locates the pathway and system time and date.